Namaste and welcome everyone. So today we're gonna start with Indian Penal Code 1860. That is nothing but chapter number 9, which is most completed and simple chapter if you study with me. Now, I want your full focus on this lecture. But before starting the lecture, let me tell you that this is a completely introductory lecture, which will be of few minutes, and the upcoming lecture will be of 22 or 25 minutes to explain the concept carefully to you. Now, I will be consistent on YouTube to upload the videos, and you have to motivate me by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. And make sure you comment down below whichever topic I should cover. And do you want me to cover a topic to crack CS executive in 10 days? If you have not studied anything, make sure you like the video and make sure you comment that. And if I get 2 or 3 comments, I will definitely gonna make that video. Without any further delay, let's get started. So we are gonna talk about Indian Penal Code. The first thing that we need to know about Indian Penal Code is that the code is applicable to the whole of India, consisting of 29 states and 200 nautical miles of the water. Now the second thing that I would like you to take there, that when a king used to rule in the India, he used to prescribe punishment according to his ability, whether he recognized the crime as big or small. Now the same thing is done by the law of India. According to the law, what has the legislature think, and according to that, the judge prescribed the punishment to the person who has committed the crime, who is an accused, and who has been proven the guilty. He will or she will be punished with a good amount of punishment. So that is nothing but which a law prescribes. Now the law has committed a particular word that is for the punishment. So what is the word? Penal. Penal means an act or offense punishable by law. That is the simple meaning of the penal. That is the second most important word of this chapter that you will heard more and more in this chapter. Now let's talk about a detective. What does a detective really do? Detective collects all the facts and material information to come to a conclusion, and collects all and make sure that the whatever he collects as an information, he just makes sure that he collects all information and just combine it into one file and hand it over to the client. Same thing happens in a code. So what really is a code? A code is a collection of already existing laws. Means whatever laws were there out there, they have been collected and have been made up in the single window. Means there were so many pieces and we just made one building out of all those pieces. Now you have been asking me, sir, what is the difference between a code and an act? So let's see and fulfill your wish. An act is a decision passed into law. Means act is made from a scratch. A code is a collection of already existing laws. Means whatever I told you, that the detective collects all the information and bind them into the file and hand it over the client. New laws will be included and existing laws may be repealed to constitute a complete system. So that was nothing but a difference between an act and a code. So this was just an introductory lecture and a teaser of the complete chapter. Now if you want me to make a video that how to crack CS executive in 10 days, comment down below and I will definitely make sure that we are gonna crack that fucking exam in just 10 days. For that, goodbye.